We want our students not only to understand what they're doing in the classroom, but also understand what's happening in industry. This opportunity is for Gwinnett County Public Schools to partner with Georgia Film Academy as well as Reimagine, and we're going to have a total of 180 students on site here at GFA. It's a collective partnership to create space and opportunity for the students to learn around this high demand industry that is just rapidly growing in Metro Atlanta. They're getting that hands-on exposure today, real time.
So this collaboration is a really great way to show a lot of students who say, well, what's next for me? I really like film, but what can I do with it? So the Georgia Film Academy was designed to help you make that answer on how to get into the industry.
Reimagine and GFA are partnering to do an immersive experience where the students are going to learn how to create a film. We are a nonprofit workforce development company. We specialize in career training, job placement, and career exposure.
Lighting is imperative when it comes to telling stories.
So we just wanted to make sure that they have some inspiration and also just get them a taste of each and every single role.
Tienen su trabajo cada quien y es como que cada cosa es algo como nuevo y más interesante. Se aprende mucho a trabajar en equipo y vas tomando como cada paso y se va agarrando todo para unirlo y así hacer.
What's the thought? Still too bright? Okay. Let's add one more.
On set, you have to figure out a lot of things. There's a lot of critical thinking, problem solving, and as kids grow and go into different fields, they can translate what they learn here into those fields as well.
Various CTAE pathways show up in film, so it's allowing them to see what all can take place from marketing to finance in the film industry and give them some different ideas of how they can just engage post-secondary and what they want to do in their careers.
The goal today is to just be exposed to things that you might say, you know what, I think I can do that too. Or at least that's my goal.
It shows me the different aspects of film that I didn't know so much in depth about, and it inspires me to just not just think of acting or sound or tech, but like also lighting, behind the scenes and that type of stuff, and just get a more nuanced view regarding the film scene.
We're teachers. We can teach them all day from the classroom, but until they get here and they see that people are doing it who are close to their age, it just really puts it in perspective for them. I think that they realize the opportunities that are right in front of them, and it's really cool to see that.
There's so many rigs and setups and sets and lighting, so many jobs just to capture within one frame. And the fact that I get to be here is amazing. The way I see it, stepping in this building was my first steps into this career pathway.